All right, you've created your package and you've assigned it to a client account. Now what? Now we are going to go through installation and post-installation best practices. So there's a couple of ways you can get to your client account to install the package. So from here, you can click on the package itself. It will take you in, or you can hit access account. So we're going to access account. And it's going to super admin us into this client account. And I'm going to come into packages and I'm going to search for my super amazing stock package right here. So I am going to view package, and from view package, this is our installer. So you can hit install cards and rules. That will always be the first step when you're doing an installation. And for our HubSpot resources, you can hit open installer. When we hit open installer, again, as a reminder, it's going to pop us into this window of all of the HubSpot accounts that we have access to, and you would select which HubSpot account you want to receive those HubSpot resources. For sake of time, I'm not going to go over it in this video. We do have other videos that cover that process. Now, the other post-installation best practices that you want to kind of consider and go through is you'll want to double check the base that the cards went into, make sure you have all of the cards. And if you have triggers on them, I would suggest double checking that those triggers are firing where you want them to fire. If they're not, there's a couple of troubleshooting things that you can do, such as going into your settings and making sure that that URL is included in where you want super to be active.